Hey, what's going on, guys? Free Plugin here. Today I have an announcement. It's about update number 2. Basically, we're doing a new thing in Free Plugin. So what we're gonna do is we are no longer going to start posting videos on how to get games and software for free, since we get a lot of copyright strikes. What Free Plugin is gonna do now is that we're going to try to make videos on side hustles. Well, we're going to be exposing side hustles. As we can see right here, we're going to be exposing side hustles. We're going to see if they actually really work on behalf of my operations. Of course, we obviously all want them to work, but I'm obviously going to provide video tutorials on all of these, most of all of these videos, hopefully, exposing them and busting them to see if they actually work or not. And this is going to be the new free plugin. I know many of you might be upset, but I just hope that we all get into the ways of doing the business that we all love doing. And of course, may Free Plugin be helping you in all your endeavors. Uh, and then again, sorry guys, I won't be uploading video tutorials on how to download free games. Free Plugin's going to start doing this new thing on side hustles. And if any of you guys have any ideas on what videos I should upload, go ahead and comment in the comment section below. We'll see what's going on. And if you're new to watching this video, don't forget to subscribe and also tell your friend about this video and free plugin, so we can both keep our ways in the right line here. So hopefully you guys will enjoy these new videos that are on YouTube. We have a lot of side hustles here. We got testing viral, $1 per day side hustles, how to start an ATM business, how to turn 100 into 1,000. Let's see here. This is the video I was interested in doing, getting $2 for 30 seconds for free. These videos are the ones that I might be doing more of, but of course I'll try to do almost all of them. So yes, hopefully we all get addressed here, and hopefully you will love the new free plugin. And of course, just stay tuned for more videos on this. Hopefully we will get our new comments in the comment section about what I should be doing. Thank you guys once again for watching this video. Have a great day. See you on the next one.